Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will create point chart in C Sharp. Go to Toolbox, search for chart and drag it here, adjust as you are required. Go to collection in titles, or you have to search for series collection. In series collection, change the chart type to point and now add first series uh, and name it as anything, for example sales, and add an other and change it to point and name it as profit. Now click OK. Go to the backend code, name the chart1, chart1 dot series sales series dot points dot add xy, for example soap sales 5, and oil 11, and paste it more and it's as food 50. Now execute. It shows us the points like this for sales, and change it into profit, and profit for soap is equal 22, 30, and like this. Now it's represent, it's the sales and it's the profit, it's the sale and it's the profit, and it's the sale and it's the profit for the same product, and this is the scale. I hope this video tutorial is informative for you regarding point chart in C Sharp. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more amazing tutorials on charts. Take care. Bye bye.